When we're doing the sandwich method on a Pacific tile, we're going to go ahead and do the following steps. So first we'll cut our base panel out of our pipe. Then we're going to go ahead and take our pipe jack and going to cut that so it fits in the coursing. We're going to go ahead and throw caulking across the sides and the back. And then we'll go ahead and place this over the pipe. You can form that to the panel. Then we'll take our second panel, and you can do a full panel or a partial like you see here, and go ahead and cut that pipe jack out of that panel. So now we're just going to go ahead and place that right over top. And then we'll come back and start fastening as normal. Then we'll go ahead and come back, take our caulking, we'll go ahead and caulk around that pipe jack, and then we'll cover our caulking with our granules from our touch-up kit to protect that caulking and to dress it up.